you can see, this is the hybrid energy saving stove. It has a side where they use firewood. This side uses only small pieces of firewood. Of this side, you have a very smoke-free cooking environment. As you can see, I have my beans here cooking, but there is no smoke around, so the stove is smoke-free. The stove has 2 burners which use volcanic rocks and charcoal with solar, plus an oven that can bake and roast. So you have plan A and plan B. You're not stuck. When there is firewood, you can use firewood. When there is charcoal, you can use charcoal.